Indoda ayizalwa, indoda iyakhiwa. Umuntu wesilisa uyazalwa. We were all born males. It's a pity ukuthi some of us will even die males, not reaching the point of manhood. Abanye bethu boze bafe beyabantu besilisa bengakaze bafike ekubeni abadoda. We are born males, but manhood is a process of becoming. Ubudoda into olokhu uqhubeka uba yiyo. Futhi angazi noma ubaba bami bazongilungisa ngoba sebebadala, kodwa njengoba ngikhula mina nginokukholelwa ukuthi awufiki la uqeda khona ukuba indoda. Ukhula ufunde uze ufe. And futhi uyaphela uyafa ebudodeni the day ukholwa ukuthi usuyindoda epheleleyo. You become a man, you are born a male. It's a pity ukuthi khona abantu abaze befe beabafana bengafikanga ebudodeni. Ngibe nenhlanhla ukuphela nabantu abaningi emhlabeni ngahlangana nabantu abamadoda amadala kakhulu ngokweminyaka, kodwa ubone ukuthi noma ekhulile as a male kodwa akafiki ekubeni indoda. Siqala ngani kuba indoda? Uthi umpostoli uPaul ngise umntwana ngenza ngakhulumisa ngacabangisa okumntwana. Okusho ukuthi ke ubudoda bakho awubukali ngokuthi usu afford ukuthenga iteki leGucci bese uthi ke seniyindoda emadodeni. Ubudoda bakho awubukali ngokuthi usu afforda iGolf 8 bese uthi uyindoda emadodeni. Ubudoda uma sibukhuluma kahle abusuki ngaphandle bungena ngaphakathi kumuntu. Busuka ngaphakathi kumuntu bese buvela ngaphandle. Awukho umsebenzi waka Eskom yokwenza ube indoda. Ayikho itender eyokwenza ube indoda. Asikho isikhwama sika 40,000 esiyokwenza ube indoda. Siphila kwi society embi last we measure ubudoda bethu ngezinto esinazo. Size nathi esasala nesikhala sokungadodiswa sivale leso sikhala ngezinto eziphathekayo. Sicabanga ukuthi ngesikhathi silokhu sithola lezi zinto zizovala isikhala sobudoda bethu. Ingakho uzothola umuntu okade senemali yonke uma lo muntu besephumelele empilweni, kodwa ngenxa yokuthi akadodiswanga uzokuthwaphekwa lawo mabhizinisi use-ede nama-drugs phezulu, ngoba akakwazi ukufika la athi khona njengendoda angikwazi ukubulala isizwe ngezandla zakhe. Angikhulume bazalwane into ethi ngithe okokuqala, manhood is a process of becoming. So uNkulunkulu wamdala umuntu wayesemnikeza the purpose of time bazalwane mangathiwa isiphi injongo yesikhathi. Into enza thina abancane sihloniphe obaba bethu, umehluko phakathi kwethu nabo abadala isikhathi. Isikhathi yini injongo yaso? The purpose of time is for a person to become something. Asizalwanga sikwazi ukuhamba, isikhathi sasinike ability yokuhamba. Asizalwanga sikazi ukukhuluma, isikhathi sasinike ability yokukhuluma. Asizalwanga sazi izinto esizaziyo, isikhathi sasinikeza lelo thuba. Uthi kumshumayeli mayebhala uthi the race is not to the swift nor the bread to the wise, but time and chance happens to them all. Why time and chance happens to them all? It happens for one reason, so that through time you will transform into a better person. Kuyingozi ukuthi usayile ndodo kuyiyona ngo2020 nango 2026, because isizathu esenza uNkulunkulu ukugcinela ukuthi ube indoda engcono kunayizona. Umsebenzi wayo yonke indoda ukuthi mayivuka ekseni ibe nemission engqondweni, ngingaba kanjani indoda engcono namhlanje kunandoda ebekiyizo. Noma kuthi kusiphi isimo, uma usawumntwana womfana, ngingaba kanjani indoda engcono la ekhaya phansi kwabazali, ngaba indodana enjani engcono. Mawukuthi ususezingini la ubhuti omdala, obhuti bakhe abangemuva, ngingaba kanjani ubhuti omdala ongcono kunalo ekade nginguyizolo. Because when we don't understand that the purpose of time is for you to become something you are not, sinabantu abakhula babala iminyaka but their level of maturity ayilingani neminyaka abayibalayo. Ngikhulele lokushini mina, ngihlanganile nomfana ona40. Ngixolisa ukukhuluma kanje. Ngihlanganile nomfana ona40, umfana ona40 years. Uthi ngwane angiteleli ngithi mina ngihlanganile nomuntu ngokwesimo omqondo osasebufanele iminyaka esingaphezulu kweminyaka yakhe. Okuwukuthi thina abafana abancane sekumele ngabe sithi indoda le, kodwa ngeke sikwazi ngoba masibuka izenzo zakhe usawumfana noma ena40 years, which means aka understand ukuthi the purpose of time is to become what you were not yesterday. Injongo uNkulunkulu asinikele isikhathi ke ngize kule nto ukuthi waye ngihlonipha kakhulu abantu abadala, ngibahloniphele ekutheni sonke lesikhathi umuntu asiphilile kukho izinto aseyifundile ebesingazazi thina. Ngenxa ukuthi ke bazane ngizokhuluma phansi kwesihloko esithi God is a father. Ngicela sonke sithi uNkulunkulu ngubaba. God is a father.